Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a component set in Figma in under 2 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up component variants, which is a huge time saver for anyone designing interfaces. Whether you're working on buttons, tabs, or icons, mastering component sets will seriously streamline your workflow. So let's dive right in and walk through this together. Alright, first things first, open up Figma. If you don't already have your project open, just head over to Figma, and hop into the file you want to use. The interface is super intuitive, but if it's your first time, don't worry, I'll explain as we go. Now we're going to start by adding a text layer. Simply hit the T key or click the text tool from the top toolbar and type out whatever you'd like your component to say. For example, you could just type button or something similar. This text is what we'll use as the label for our component. It might seem small, but it's an essential part. Think of it as naming your button or menu item so it's clear what this component does. Next, let's add a frame. Click on the frame tool or just hit F on your keyboard. Draw a frame right next to your text or around it if you want the text inside a button shape. Adjust the size so it fits your text nicely. A little bit of padding goes a long way to making your elements look polished and professional. Frames are like invisible containers that help organize your design elements, a bit like placing your tools in a box so you don't lose them on a busy workspace. Once you've got your text and your frame on the canvas, click and drag to select them both. You can do this by holding Shift and clicking each element, or by dragging a selection box over both with your mouse. Make sure you have both the text and frame selected. They should both show the blue outline. This step is crucial because Figma needs to know which layers you want to group into a single component. Now with both elements selected, head up to the top menu and click the Create Component button. It looks like 4 little diamonds. Alternatively, you can just press Command plus Option plus K on a Mac or Control plus Alt plus K on Windows. And just like that, you've built your very first component. This transforms your selected elements into a reusable building block. From here on, if you use this component throughout your project and need to make a change, you can update just one instance and see the changes reflected everywhere. Super efficient. Alright, let's say you want to create variants like a primary and secondary button. Just repeat those steps, add another text in a frame, select both, and create a second component. Now select both components, the original and your new one, holding Shift if you need. Then look for the Combine as Variants button in the toolbar and click it. Figma will bundle these two components into a single component set. This is the magic behind swapping between states, colors, or sizes in your designs without duplicating your work. And that's it. You now have a Figma component set with variants, ready to use in all your projects. Take your time experimenting with states and styles. You'll find this feature can truly transform your design process. If anything seemed tricky or you have questions about how to organize your variants, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Figma tutorials. See you in the next one.